Good afternoon to all of you. Today we will complete exercise 3.3. Only 5 and 6 questions. 2 questions are left. Yesterday we have completed 1 to 4 questions. Fifth question is draw a double bar graph. This is the given table. Favorite sport: cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey and athletics. And there are number of people who are watching the who like to watch the games or who like to participate in the game. For example, this is the given data. Okay, I will show you the graph. How I will make the graph. Okay, on OX I will take all favorite sport like cricket, basketball, and this is swimming, hockey and athletics. And on OY, y-axis, I will take number of participants, number of people watching or participating. I will make two symbols. First, straight line. With the help of straight line, I am showing watching. With the help of slanting line, I am showing participating. Okay, first cricket, I will take 1240 up to. I will take scale 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700 like this up to 1300, 1300. My and the people who like to watch the game is 1240 and people who like to participate in the game is 620. Next, basketball. Those who want to watch the game cricket basketball, they are 470 and 320 those who want to participate in the game basketball. Next is swimming. Those who want to watch the game is 510. Those who want to participate in the game, they are 320. In next game is hockey. Those who want to participate in the game, they are 430 and those who want to only participate in the game is 250. These are of watching number. These are of participating number. Then about athletics, those who want to only watch the game, they are 250 and those who want to participate in the game, that is 105. Now after this, the completion of this bar graph, there are some questions given. What do you infer the bar graph? Matlab, what is you come to know about the reading after the reading of bar graph? The bar graph is showing the data collected from a survey of a colony. It's written in the heading of the book that a bar graph is showing the data collected from a survey of a colony. Which sport is most popular? This sport you can see from the table. Cricket sport is most popular because data of cricket is greater than other data. Next, which is more preferred, watching or participating? People like to watch or like to participate? Watching is more preferred. But watching is more preferred than participating. We have done this question. Next question is sixth question. Draw a double bar graph again. There are some cities given. City Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Jammu and Mumbai. Maximum temperature and minimum temperature are given. Okay. First you have to draw the bar graph like this. Like this, I will show you how you will draw this bar graph. Like this. On OX you will write cities, on OY you will show temperature, and for maximum temperature I will show with slanting lines and minimum temperature I will show with straight lines. Then I will take one city one by one, all cities, and I will show the temperature. For example, 38 degrees Celsius, 28 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius, 26 degrees Celsius. Then 28 degrees Celsius, 21 degrees Celsius, all cities temperature I will show, and I will make this graph in like this because there are greater data. ये ग्राफ जो है हम इस टाइप में पोर्ट्रेट में बना रहे हैं क्योंकि इसमें जो है डेटा ज़्यादा है, ज़्यादा सिटीज़ दी हुई हैं, इसलिए मैं इसलिए इसको ऐसे ग्राफ ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ। मैंने OX यहाँ लिया और OY यहाँ लिया ताकि मेरा ग्राफ देखो लास्ट तक यहाँ कंप्लीट हो गया। ओके, नाउ देयर आर सम क्वेश्चंस गिवन। Largest difference in maximum and minimum temperature. Which city has the largest and maximum temperature difference? किस सिटी के लार्जेस्ट और मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम टेम्परेचर में सबसे ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है? दैट इज़ जम्मू। आंसर इज़ जम्मू। नेक्स्ट इज़ हॉटेस्ट सिटी इज़ जम्मू, maximum temperature is 41 degree Celsius, and coldest city is Bangalore. Coldest city is Bangalore because their temperature, lowest temperature is 21 degree Celsius. Okay, next is name the two cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of other. पहले इस क्वेश्चन को समझो। ऐसी दो सिटीज़ बतानी है जिसका एक का मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर दूसरे के मिनिमम टेम्परेचर से लेस हो। देखो, लुक एट दिस। फर्स्ट है बेंगलोर एंड जयपुर। कैसे बेंगलोर एंड जयपुर? कैसे बेंगलोर का जो हमारा मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर है वो जयपुर के मिनिमम टेम्परेचर से भी लेस है। जयपुर का मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर 28 डिग्री सेल्सियस और जयपुर के बेंगलोर का जो 28 डिग्री सेल्सियस मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर है और जयपुर का 29 डिग्री सेल्सियस मिनिमम टेम्परेचर है। इट मीन्स मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर इज़ लेस देन मिनिमम टेम्परेचर। दूसरा है बेंगलोर एंड अहमदाबाद। बेंगलोर में मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर 28 डिग्री सेल्सियस और इसका मिनिमम टेम्परेचर 29 डिग्री सेल्सियस। इट मीन्स मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर ऑफ दिस सिटी इज़ लेस देन मिनिमम टेम्परेचर ऑफ दिस सिटी। सो देयर आर टू कॉम्बिनेशंस ओनली। नेक्स्ट इज लीस्ट डिफरेंस बिटवीन मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम टेम्परेचर। ऐसी सिटी बतानी है जिसके मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम टेम्परेचर में सबसे कम डिफरेंस हो। दैट इज़ मुंबई, 32 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड 27 डिग्री सेल्सियस। इनका डिफरेंस इज़ लेस देन अदर सिटीज़। इट मीन्स मुंबई इज़ द आंसर। Okay, we have done this question. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.